All right, you guys, we're gonna be doing these fun, colorful cows this month. Okay, they're gonna be really cute. You're gonna get a cow already drawn out for you, and then you'll get water cups, a paintbrush, and some of these colors. Okay, you get to pick your colors. Okay, so for today, we're gonna be doing this layered. Okay, so for today, we're gonna do all of our background kind of colors where everything is just solid, and then next week when you come back, we'll do colors on top of that, so it'll be layered. Okay, so I chose kind of some lighter colors. You're gonna pick one color for your background. I'm gonna do my background in gray. Okay, and then these other colors are going to be for the cow, and you're going to paint each section of the cow that color. Okay, we're not going to give you black, because once you're done this week and next week, I'm going to come back and I'm going to outline the cows in black, and I'll do the black eyes and stuff like that. Okay, you're just going to do the colorful parts. Okay, so I chose gray for my background, and that's what I'm going to start with, and then I chose these other 4 colors. So you get 5 colors today, and then next week you'll get new colors. Okay, so all you're going to do is start with your background, and you're going to paint your background areas. Okay, so I chose gray because it's a neutral, and my cow is going to be very colorful, but blue would also be a good background color. Whatever color you use in your background, you really don't want to use anywhere else. Okay, so if you use like a light blue in the background, don't use a light blue in your cow. If you use a purple in the background, that's fine. Don't use purple in your cow. Okay, and it's okay if you get into your cow a little bit. All right, and as I go, I'm also going to paint my edges. So this section is gray. So then this section of the edge is gray. Okay. And then this section's going to be gray. So then this section of the edge here, and it'll come up over here, will be gray. Okay. So step 1 is pick your colors and paint your background. And then each of these little sections will be a solid color. So if I do the tongue pink, I don't want to do this area or this area pink. Or if I do this area orange, I don't want to do maybe like all of these areas orange. Okay, each section you want to think of it as like as much of a checkerboard as you can. And then I also like to make it the same, so the horns will be the same, but I guess these 2 pieces don't have to be the same, but I like for it to be like symmetrical personally. So I'm probably going to paint the tongue pink, and then maybe like the nose orange, and this part yellow, and then maybe this part green, and this part green, and this part pink, and this part pink. You see how that works? Okay, this part yellow, this part yellow. I like to make mine the same all around. Okay, so step 1, pick your 5 colors. Step 2, paint your background. And then step 3, in your edges as you go, is to paint these parts. And then you'll also paint, if I paint this part like green, then this bottom part is green. Okay, so work on that. And these are big canvases. We're doing 16 by 20s. So once you're done, ask Miss Caitlin where to set them, and we'll let them dry. And next week we're going to add another layer on top of these. Okay, all right. Okay, you guys, so this is what it'll look like when you're done. It's not anything fancy today, but they're going to be even cuter when we get them all done. I wanted my nostrils to be black, so I left those, I went around them. And then we're going to add more colors on top of this once it dries. And I want you to see the sides, so you can see where the green was for the cow body. It's green, and then there's the gray. Okay, so, and like I said, I like to do mine symmetrical. These are pink, this is orange, these are yellow, these are both green, but you don't have to do it that way. Okay, all right, well, you guys paint your cows, get them all solid colors. We're not splatter painting, we're not adding a lot of extra designs this week. We're gonna save that and do it next week. Okay, so get them all colored solid colors, and then next week we'll add our really fun patterns and designs.